A rainy morning, everyone. So, welcome back to my channel. And for today, I don't have anything to do outside because it's raining. So, kakanta-kanta lang muna ako dito sa loob ng aking kwarto. So, ang kantang ito ay paborito ng isa nating subscriber na si Oriang Maestra. At kapag napanood niya ito, ay sinasabi ko, hinahamon ko siya, ilabas niya ang video ng kanyang cover nitong kanta. I just had a dream that you were far away, and that someone else was in your arms today. Though I know it's just a dream, still my fear is so extreme, 'cause I know that dreams could sometimes be so true, and I'll be blue. Then I told myself I'll always stay the same. Even if you hurt me, I will take the pain. You were all I'm living for. I would love you even more. I would keep the pain inside my door. It's enough for me that I have come to love you, I see, because the heart I have could only want you. I just want you to remember, even if it takes forever. I would wait until the world is through, when all that's left is only me and you. Yes, I told myself I'd always stay the same. Even if you hurt me, I would take the pain. You're all I'm living for. I would love you even more. I would keep the pain inside